Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. सर्वप्रथम मैं कृपाल निष्कलीला प्रविष्ट ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्रील रमण गोस्वामी महाराज एवं निष्कलीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की अमैश्वर कमलों में अनंत बड़ी साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज श्री भगवत गोस्वामी महाराज श्री भक्ति रत्न गोस्वामी महाराज भक्तिवंत गोस्वामी महाराज श्री भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ संभव प्रणाम।
As I have been instructed, Shishi Bhajan Rahasya, I have to discuss about the Shishi Bhajan Rahasya. So tell some glorification of Shishi Bhajan Rahasya. It is very incredible and nice Granth. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in this Granth, he has glorified this Granth. First day, so in this Granth, in the preface, I told you that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he was staying in Godrum and performing bhajan there, so Bhaktivinoda Thakur's character is transcendental with all his Kamal Manjari of Radha Krishna Nitya Leela. अरे आप पे ना हो ना.
तथापि
Still,
अपने को एक साधारण
so he was thinking himself a ordinary sadhak, and he was describing himself just like a ordinary sadhak.
अपने जीवन चरित्र में ऐसे लिखा
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur showed in his life characteristic.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट
He was just a district magistrate.
अंग्रेज शासन काल में
When the British was ruling,
डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट
he was a district magistrate at that time.
फिर उन्होंने
Then,
विचार करने लगे
so he was thinking
कि मैं कुछ भजन साधन
that I haven't performed bhajan and sadhana in my life. My life has gone waste.
ऐसे दुर्लभ मनुष्य शरीर को प्राप्त
So getting this human body, very rare human form,
हो गए
so I have lost it.
लब्धास दुर्लभ
Labdas,
भगवान
Labdas.
मनुष्य मठम अभ्युदय दुर्लभ भगवान पते निमित्तम जावत निश्चय सब गुरु सर्वतोषा श्रीमद् भागवत में
In the Shrimad Bhagavatam,
इस श्लोक में कुछ स्पष्टीकरण है
so this shloka is clarified.
मनुष्य शरीर अति दुर्लभ
So this human body is very rare. It's not just rare, it is very rare.
मनुष्य शरीर मिले
So in the next world we will get this human body or not. So it's not permanent. It's not pre-described that we will get this human body in this our next birth.
भरत महाराज
So leave about ourselves, Bharat Maharaj in the Shrimad
भरत
Bhagavatam.
महाराज की कथा आप जानते
So you have heard the story of Bharat Maharaj. Have you heard that?
हैं
Have you heard the story of Bharat Maharaj?
हिरण्य के प्रति आसक्ति
So he was too much attached to deer.
हिरण्यकशिपु
So he became the body of a deer.
तीन जन्म की बैटरी चला
So he wasted his 3 life.
तो इसी प्रकार ये मनुष्य शरीर
So
तो दुर्लभ है
in this way, this human body is very rare. It is very, very rare.
84 लाख भगवान
So after 84 lakh yonis, you get this human body.
है और फिर आगे मिले नाम
And then further you will get it or not, so it's not predestined.
और इस मनुष्य शरीर के द्वारा ही हम
So-
भगवान को प्राप्ति कर सकते
By this human body, we can only attain Bhagwan.
हैं पशु आदि योनि के द्वारा भगवान
By not in the animal bodies, we cannot attain the Bhagwan. It's not possible in that body.
मनुष्य छोड़कर के जितने
So except human body, there are many kinds of creeds and castes like creatures on others' bodies. So that is called the Bhog Yoni. So they are just suffering according to their karma.
और मनुष्य शरीर में
And in this human body,
अपने कर्म पर भी भोग
so we are also suffering from our karma.
किंतु इसमें
But
क्या
what
है?
is
नया कर्म हम सृष्टि करते हैं
what is new in that we can manifest our new karma.
नई कर्म की सृष्टि
It is not possible in the animal body. It is only possible in the human body.
इसलिए
So that's why.
मनुष्य शरीर जो है
So this human body,
ये अति दुर्लभ
it is very rare.
एक लब्धा सुदर्शन बहु संबंधे मनुष्य मठम दुर्लभ यदि न पदे इस शरीर जब तक मैं प्रतिष्ठित जाए
So until we have this body, till then we should perform bhajan.
बस भजन का प्रयास करें
We always try to perform bhajan.
मेरे कहने की तात्पर्य
So what's
ये
my
है,
mean to say
ये भक्तिविनोद
that
ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
मन मन विचार कर
he was thinking himself,
रहे हैं, मुझे भजन करना है
I have to perform bhajan. So that's why what he did.
वृंदावन को चले गए
So he went towards Vrindavan.
हैं।
He started moving toward Vrindavan. When he was moving toward Vrindavan, so at the Bengal, he stayed at one night in Shiv temple.
विश्राम किया रात्रि का।
At the night he
उस
stayed
समय
there.
साक्षात शिव जी
So at the time, Shivji himself appeared before him and told,
और स्वयं शिव जी उनके
and
बोले,
then Shivji himself told,
"हे भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर,
Hey Bhaktivinoda
आप कहाँ
Thakur,
वृंदावन भजन के लिए जा रहे हैं?"
so why are you going to Vrindavan
इस
performing bhajan
कारण
sadhana
से
in
आप
Vrindavan? For the cause you have been appeared in this world,
इस जगत में आए इसको तो पूरा कीजिए।
so you have to fulfill that or complete that object.
महाप्रभु की दो काम के लिए
So for the Mahaprabhu's 2 works,
वो काम का पूरा
for completing Mahaprabhu's 2 works, you have appeared in this
साक्षात शिव
land.
जी
Shivji himself told to him,
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर के यह आदेश
So Shivji gave the instruction to Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
है। दो काम क्या है?
What does two work?
गौर नाम
Gaur
और
Naam, Gaur
गौर
Kam.
धाम का प्रणाम।
Gaur Naam and Gaur Dham. Glorified the Gaur Naam and Gaur Dham.
देखो शिव जी
But Shivji,
कितने है, उदार ही।
he is so much broad-hearted.
बच्चों ठाकुर अपने
Bhaktivinoda
जीवन
Thakur,
कहानी में लिखा
in his biography, he is writing all these
सपनों
things.
में साक्षात आकर के
In the dream, Shivji came in his dream and told
गौर काम
Gaur
और
Kam,
गौर धाम को
glorified the Gaur Naam and
नाम
Gaur
धाम
Dham.
ले जाए।
Why are you going to Vrindavan?
पहले दो काम करो,
First, you have to fulfill this all two
गौर
works:
धाम
Gaur
और
Dham or Gaur Kam.
देखो
Gaur Dham, Gaur Kam.
तुम लौट करके जाओ,
You return
आगे
back.
दो काम करो,
You return back to your home
हैं?
and fulfill and
क्योंकि
complete these
उस
two
समय
works. At the time,
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
आविर्भाव स्थली जो है,
the appearance place,
मुसलमान ने क्या कर दिया?
it has been captured by the
कब्जा कर लिया और
Muslims.
कब्जा करके उसको क्या
And
बना
when they
दिया?
have captured this,
हैं? एक तो मियाँ
so
पर नाम रख
so
दिया,
they have
मायापुर के नाम
called
रख
that
दिया
name. Mayapur name became Miyapur.
और कहीं पर कब्र स्थली बना,
And they made the Kabristan, where the Muslim people used to do cremations.
ये गौर धाम के प्रणाम।
So that's why he had glorified the Gaur Dham. And second,
गौर नाम
Gaur Naam.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु के
चैतन्य।
आधारित प्रसाद से शुद्ध नाम।
So please glorify the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's
नाम
name.
गुण
Now,
लीला
if you are telling about names, so it means Naam, Roop, Guna, Leela. We should think about all these things.
जगत में प्रचार।
So he has preached all things in this world.
इस कथा को सुन करके
So here
भक्ति
this-
ठाकुर
So heard this katha Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
वहीं से लौट कर गया।
He returned back from there.
आकर के यही
And-
गोद्रुम में
While returned back, and in the Godrum, Navdeep,
गोद्रुम में
at Gopdrum,
बैठ करके
he
भजन
seated there and performed bhajan.
है। और दिन रात
And day and night, and he was thinking like
ये कैसे
that
गौर धाम
how
को
I
महाप्रभु के जो
glorified
आविर्भाव
Gaur
स्थली
Dham
है,
and Gaur
समझाते
Kam.
हैं।
So when we goes to Mahaprabhu, how I glorified the present, appearance place of Mahaprabhu. He was thinking like that. So he was performing Nam, Hare Krishna,
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
Hare Ram,
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। और विचार करना
So he was thinking in this way.
ये गौर धाम को कैसे
So
प्रकट
how I will glorify the Gaur Dham?
इस प्रकार भजन करते
So
थे,
in
एक
this
दिन
way,
नाम
performing
करते
bhajan
करते
sadhan,
देखा
when he was chanting the name, he saw.
जो कालिंदी जो नदी जो
So
है
there is a Kalindi Nadi,
इस तरफ गंगा,
one side Ganga and other side Yamuna.
और तरफ
Yamuna,
कालिंदी नदी।
Kalindi Nadi. So both are flowing there.
और उस तरफ देखा गया,
So
पूर्व
what
दिशा
is
देखा
so
गया,
at the east side? The east side is
तालाब।
there is so much shine there, so much light there.
समझ में?
Have you understand? Not.
और देखते देखते
And seeing that,
है, चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
अद्वैत आचार्य
Advaita Acharya Nityanand Prabhu,
श्रीवास ठाकुर
Shrivas Thakur, Gadadhar,
और हजारों लाखों सैकड़ों
and
भक्त
many
के साथ
thousands and thousands devotees.
मृदंग करताल
So
आदि लेकर के
all are performing Naam Sankirtan by Mridang and Kartal. Hare Nama Krishna Yadav.
यादवाय नमो यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमो गोपाल गोविंद श्रीमधुसूदन गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन हरि हराय नमः कृष्ण यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः।
Audible.
भक्तिनाथ ठाकुर साक्षात रूप में दर्शन
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur take the darshan himself.
इस प्रकार चैतन्य
So in this way
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
अपने सपरिकों को लेकर के
so with his all associates,
दंड नाम संकीर्तन
so he was performing very nice Hari Nam Sankirtan very nicely. And after that all has been disappeared. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, what he did
प्रातः काल में
at the morning,
इसी स्थान पर आए
so he came that place
और ठाकुर ने देखा
and he saw that
तो
place.
मुसलमान के क्या करना है
So, Kabristan.
हैं?
So that is the Kabristan, the funeral place of
खबर का होता
Muslims people.
है
Qabr. Qabr. You know Qabr?
और भक्तिनाथ ठाकुर देखा
And
जहाँ पर
Bhaktivinoda
चैतन्य
Thakur saw
महाप्रभु
that,
जिस स्थान पर भक्त के साथ नित्य गीत कर रहे हैं,
and he
उस
saw
स्थान
that
केवल
Bhaktivinoda Thakur was,
तुलसी की बगीचा।
so there was all a garden of Tulsi there.
भक्तिवंत ठाकुर जी थे।
Bhaktivinoda Thakur saw this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
वहीं पर मुसलमान को पूछा,
so he asked a Muslim there,
भाई आप लोग तो मुसलमान हो,
so you are the Muslims,
आप लोग तुलसी पौधा भी क्यों
so
लगाते
why
हैं?
have you input the Tulsi plants here?
और जगह में तो कुछ
In other
फसला
places
नहीं करते,
there are
इस
some
स्थान पर तुलसी क्यों लगाए?
something else, but why you have put Tulsi here,
तो
planted
उस
Tulsi
समय
here?
ये वृद्ध
So at the time this
मुसलमान
old
कहने
man
लगे,
said,
इस स्थान पर हम जो कुछ बीज डाल देते
so
हैं,
whatever we put the seeds here in this land,
धान हो, गेहूं हो,
maybe grains,
सरसों हो,
rice and
यहाँ पर क्या
sarso,
होता है?
mustard, so whatever happens,
हैं?
always
तुलसी के पौधा होता
Tulsi planted here.
है, हैं? देखो, अपराधी।
So this is the transcendental
तो
place.
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
So
विचार
Bhaktivinoda
करने
Thakur
लगे,
was thinking,
यही जो है
so this is the
स्थान महाप्रभु के क्या है?
appearance place of Mahaprabhu.
आविर्भाव का जन्म स्थान है। उन्होंने विचार,
So he was thinking like
फिर
that.
उन्होंने यही भक्तिविनोद
Then what he
ठाकुर,
did, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
है, समस्त शास्त्र के प्रमाण भी देखा।
so he saw all the proof of scriptures that Mahaprabhu, where Mahaprabhu appeared.
उसके लंदन से जो है
So from the London,
प्राचीन नवद्वीप के मैप बनाए गए।
so he asked the map of old map from London, and according to that he saw,
और
and according to the map and according to the scriptures he saw, and that he realized that this is the place, appearance place of Mahaprabhu.
किंतु देखो वो
But
स्थान
look,
तो, किंतु वो स्थान को महापुरुषों के द्वारा क्या होनी चाहिए? प्रकाशित करना चाहिए।
so that place will be glorified by the Mahapurush. Then we will get the stamp. That place got the stamp.
यही वृंदावन में पधारे सूर्य कुंड में
So that
जगन्नाथ
Bhaktivinoda
दास बाबा जी
Thakur,
महाराज भजन करते।
okay, he came to Vrindavan where Jagannath Das Babaji was performing bhajan in Suryakunda.
जिनके उम्र कितने हो
So
गए
his
थे?
his year was
हैं? 144
140 years old. 140 years he was old, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj.
और
And he was unable to walk. His sevak Vihari Lal, his servant Vihari Lal,
टोकरी में लेकर के
so he take him in a basket, and
उस समय तो ट्रेन बस
so there was no train was available at the time. So what he do? He was walking, and he carried him on his head on the basket.
इतने वृद्ध प्राचीन विद्वान के
So
उनके आंखों की ये क्या बोलते हैं?
Roshni,
जो है वो भी
so he was so much old that his eyelid and was so much long here.
वही मायापुर में पूछ
So when he entered into the Mayapur,
है महाप्रभु के जो जन्म स्थान है।
so which is the place of Mahaprabhu, what place? So what he saw, what Jagannath Das Babaji was get down from the basket, and he was started dancing there,
कूद गए।
and he jumped up from the basket and he started dance there very
चिरंजन के
heavily,
आविर्भाव।
and he said, this is the place of Gaur Hari Ki Jai. This is the place, this is the appearance place of Sachidanand Gaur Hari. I am telling you in the shortly
ये भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this is the Granth of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So we should describe about the Bhaktivinoda Thakur's character or biography.
हर ग्रंथ का पाठ करने के पहले
So before reading the Granth,
के मुखबंध
so who is the author of the Granth, we should describe,
हर ग्रंथ के
and we
लेखक
should
के बारे
always
में
tell about the preface and the author of the Granth.
जैसे श्रीमद् भागवत पाठ
Just like when you read the Srimad Bhagavatam, so what should you know about
वैदिक के बारे में
Vyasdev,
देव श्री
Srila Sukdev Goswami Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj. So you should know about all these peoples. So in the same way, in this Bhajan Rahasya Granth,
अध्ययन करने के
when you are going to start or reading this Granth, so we should know a little bit about Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and we should always pray rest His mercy upon us so that we can read this Granth, because Mahaprabhu, because the Mahapurush Jivan characteristic is transcendental,
श्रवण करने
and studying, reading and kirtaning of the biography of these Mahapurush, so our heart will be pure.
दो शब्दों में
So in these two words, I am telling about,
जीवन से
I told about the
बता
Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
साक्षात
that how Shivji has gave him the instruction that you should preach Gaur Dham and Gaur Kam,
इस करके कल
especially in the Kali Yuga.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
प्रेम प्रदान नहीं करेगा।
Except Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no can distribute the love.
আমার বিনা
Mahaprabhu
কৃষ্ণ প্রেম
himself said,
मैं छोड़कर कृष्ण प्रेम कोई कुछ
so
नहीं कर
except me, no one can give to you the Krishna Prem in this Kali Yuga.
महाप्रभु के चरण
So especially in the Kali Yuga, everybody has to take the shelter of lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. Whatever you perform bhajan and other things, until you don't take the shelter of Sachinandan Gaur Hari Ki, so anyhow you cannot get the Braj Prem. So it is short too. So in this way it is saying Aradhito
आराधितो वृंदावनं ब्रज ब्रज ये मधुरे आराधितो द्विजसुत ब्रजनागरस्ते आराधितो द्विजसुत न तमेह कृष्ण आराधितो नववन इन लोगों ने नववन में
Aradhito Navamana.
नवद्वीप धाम का आराधना
So who has done the worship of Navdeep Dham?
ब्रजधाम ब्रजनागर आराधितो द्विजसुत
Aradhito Dujasata,
द्विजसुत माने
Brahman Putra.
जगन्नाथ मिश्र के पुत्र सचिनंदन गौर
And the Brahman Putra, Jagannath's son, Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
द्विजो
He is the Brahman son, that is why his name is Dvija, Dvijaswata.
गौर के जो आराधना नहीं किया
So he is not worshipping the Sachinandan Gaur.
प्राप्त नहीं
So he cannot get the Brajnagar Krishna.
इसलिए सचिनंदन
So in this way, everybody has to take the shelter of Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
गौर प्रेम रसार नवे
Gauru
से
Premi
तरंगे
Rasa
से राधा
Se Radha
माधव
Madhav Antaranga.
गौर प्रेम की समुद्र में
In the ocean of Gaur love.
गौर प्रेम समुद्र में क्या करना पड़ेगा
Gauru.
होता
So you have to take a drone into the ocean of love of Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
कहाँ लगाएगा गोदा
And
कहाँ
wherever you
लगाएगा
are drowning yourself,
नवद्वीप धाम में
and where you have to drown in the Navdeep Dham, Nadia Ghat.
और कहाँ पर उठ जाओगे
And where you will get up and you will come to the Keshi Ghat. This is how beautiful.
कैसे आ जाओगे
So how you will come so far in a very short way.
गोता लगे
So you drown yourself into the Navdeep Dham, and you appeared in Keshi Ghat.
सब लोग आप लोग आगे में सब
So you all have come here.
आप लोग तीनों को भाग्यवान हैं।
So you all are very fortunate that you have come here.
इनके गौर प्रेम रसारणवी से तरंगे जीवडवे से राधा माधव तरंग इसलिए गौर सुंदर की कथा
So that's why you should hear the story of Gaur Dham, Gaur Hari, Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
बेटे कितपुत्र पंजा तथा तत्ते ही अकस्मा राधा पदाम्बुजो सुधाम्बुराश देखो गौर सुंदर की चरण में आश्रय लेने के साथ
So while you take the shelter of Gaur Sundar Chitari, so you will the Radha Prem will be manifested in your heart spontaneously. Nothing else to do. Yatha Yatha Gaur Padar Vin.
गौर सुंदर की चरण
So you have to take the shelter of Gaur Sundar.
गौर सुंदर की कलयुग में
So in this Kali Yuga, only Gaur Sundar is so much broad-hearted. He is so much broad-hearted.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
इसको विचार नहीं
he didn't never discriminated who is Adhikari and who is Anadhikari.
अवतारे विचार न करिला जारे तारे प्रेम दिया जगत उद्धारिला
Dharila. So
है ना अवतारे गौर अवतार
in the incarnation of Gaur, Mahaprabhu, this is the speciality of Mahaprabhu, that he never discriminated anybody. He always distributed the love to all Andhikari and Adhikari. He never discriminated like this. So whenever he saw anybody, he distributed love. Just like
माधव जो है
the clouds,
विचार नहीं करता
they never discriminate.
जहाँ पर जा रहे
Wherever they are flowing, they always doing raining there.
गौर सुंदर की इसी
And this is the speciality of Gaur Sundar. He is so much broad-hearted that
सभी में प्रेम
so
प्रदान
he
करते हैं।
distributing the love to everybody.
इसे कहते हैं ब्राह्मणे चंडाले कवे बाचिलो
That's why it is saying Brahmari
ब्राह्मणे
Chandali.
चंडाली करे कोलाबरी कवि बाचिलो ब्राह्मण और चंडाल
Brahman and Chandal,
क्या करें एक दूसरे के आलिंगन करते
so they are hugging each other. They have forget that we have with this kinds of body.
महाप्रभु के प्रेम
So they have observed who has got the love of Mahaprabhu, so he will forget everything.
है देहात्म बुद्धि जब चलेगा
So his dehatma bodily circumcision will go away.
हजारों साल तक भजन करने पर
So after performing thousands of your bhajan and sadhan,
भी चित्त के कंट्रोल कर नहीं पाते,
who cannot control the mind and heart,
और देखो
how?
एक बार कई गौर सुंदर के नाम में
So how after taking a shelter or chanting the holy name of Gaur Hari and came to the Gaur Dham and Gaur chanting the name of Gaur Hari, they will get everything.
गौर सुंदर गौर नाम गौर धाम
Gaur Sundar, Gaur Naam, Gaur Dham.
महिमा दिखा।
So it is too much glorification of these things.
इसलिए
In this
इस
way,
ग्रंथ में
in this Granth,
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
गौर सुंदर की ही महिमा कीर्तन,
so he is glorifying the Kirtan of Gaur Hari, Gaur Sundar.
इष्टदेव की वंदना।
So he is doing the worship of his Ishtadev. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami,
वैष्णव जी ने
Vyasdev,
किसकी वंदना की?
who is did the worship to
क्या लिखा? सत्यम
Param Dhimahi Satyam Param Janmadasya Yatanvaya
तूने क्या बोली?
Satyam Param Dhimahi.
वैष्णव
At
जी ने
least he
और
told
ग्रंथ
Satyam Param
लिखा,
Dhimahi.
इसी
So
ग्रंथ में
Vyasdev
इतना
has
नाम
written so
था।
many graphs. So for
उन्होंने
Vignanash,
कोई और देवताओं की
they
कहीं
have
गणेश कहीं और-
did the study of many demigods. But when he was writing the Srimad Bhagavatam, so he never mentioned the name of any deva, demigods and demigoddess. So he just told at least Satyam Param Dhimahi. So he has clarified there Satyam Param Dhimahi.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the same way,
भजन रस
in this
ग्रंथ
Bhajan
में
Rasa Grantha,
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur
कई अपने मानव इष्टदेव
first he has did the study to his Ishtadev Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
वंदना है। कृष्ण वर्णम पिताकृष्ण संगुपं वस्त्र पार्वतम जगई संतम प्रारी जय भजामि कई पावनम नियते गौरायण जगति परिगृह्यन् प्रभुरिमान हरे कृष्ण गणाना विधीनां कीर्तनम् इति प्रपासिच्छन् चरणाम्बुजभं प्रति परि दीक्षाम् सचिक्षुणं किङ्गमेन शरणं पदम्। भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the Padyavali, he has quoted the Padyavali Shlok here.
सचिनंदन गौर
Sachinandan Gaur Hari.
जो कृष्ण इन
Who is-
दोनों वर्णों का वर्णन करते हैं,
So he
जो
is
कांति से अकृष्ण है अर्थात गौर है, वे अंग नित्यानंद तथा अद्वैत प्रभु उपांग श्रीवास आदि शुद्ध भक्तगण और पार्षद श्री स्वरूप दामोदर राय रमानंद गदाधर पंडित तथा षड गोस्वामी से परिवेष्टित तथा पवित्रनाश अस्त्र विनाम से युक्त है। पूर्ण श्री कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण तथा लीला वर्णनकारी परिभावन सचिनंदन गौर हरि जो नाम संकीर्तन जप के द्वारा भजन करता सचिनंदन गौर
so Sachinandan he has did the Vandana of Sachinandan Gauri. So the same Krishna,
अभी गौर सुंदर के रूप में
so he is taking the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari and he appeared in this land.
जब कोई ग्रंथ कोई रचना
So whenever the Granth is written,
इष्ट देश
so
वर्णन
Ishtadev is described there.
है। इसलिए सचिन
That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur
इस ग्रंथ में
in this Grantha he has worshipped Sachinandan Gaur Hari and he is doing the Kirtan of Sachinandan Gaur Hari in this
क्योंकि
Grantha
शिव जी के आदेश है
because it is the instruction of Shivji. Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu.
वैष्णव अग्रगण्य श्रेष्ठ
So who's the topmost Vaishnav? Shivji. You or me? Shivji. Who's the topmost Vaishnav? You and me? Shivji.
वैष्णवानाम
Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu.
आपके नाम के लिए मेरे के नाम के लिए
So there is no not your name nor my name, neither your nor mine. Whose name is Shivji? So Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu.
स्वयं शिव जी ने आदेश
So Shivji himself instructed to Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
दिया अग्रगण्य
who is the topmost Vaishnav.
ठाकुर शिव जी
Vaishnav Thakur Shivji has
आदेश ध्यान देकर
so getting the instruction or order of Shivji, he remembered the Sachinandan Gaur Hari. I told you. So in the Atmacharita autobiography of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he were performing bhajan, Godrum? Godrum? नहीं.
गौर धाम और गौर नाम के जगत
So
में
when he was coming to Vrindavan, so Shivji told him to go and do the preach the name of God Dham and God
और
Dham.
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
And Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
वही गोत्र में रह करके
and he
भजन
was
करते
staying in the Godram and performing Nam Bhajan
और
there.
भजन करते
And
करते
while performing Nam Bhajan,
उनके हृदय में जो भाव
so what kinds of feelings or bhav manifested in his heart, so according to that feelings or bhav, so he was reciting by the shlokas.
यही लिखा
It is mentioned
और
there.
परवर्ती काल में
And in that present time, all these shlokas was collected
ग्रंथ के रूप में ही
and manifested in this grantha, form of this grantha. So in the preface, it is mentioned, it is described like this.
ये ग्रंथ अतीव सुंदर
This grantha is beautiful, very adorable. I told you last
इस
day.
ग्रंथ के अधिकारी कौन है
So who is the adhikari of this grantha?
सब अधिकारी
Everybody is the adhikari of this grantha. Nobody is an adhikari.
हैं
Everybody can read this
इस
grantha.
ग्रंथ की अध्ययन करने के लिए कनिष्ठ से लेकर के
So for reading this grantha from Kanishk to Uttam
भागवत भी इस ग्रंथ
can read this grantha.
हैं क्योंकि कुछ ग्रंथ
Because some grantha,
अधिकार निरूपण
so there are some adhikar is mentioned there, like,
जिनपे भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
but in Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying here in this grantha, everybody can read this grantha.
दो प्रकार के साधक
There are two kinds of sadhak, two kinds of
एक है
sadhak, sadharan,
क्या
ordinary,
जातरती साधक और एक
jatrati
है
sadhak and ajatrati sadhak. They can read.
जिसके रोटी उत्पन्न हो गया
So who has manifested rati in his
वो
heart,
भी
they can read this grantha. They can follow this grantha.
और अजातरती साधक
Ajatrati
जिस
sadhak,
के हृदय में अंतर रोटी उत्पन्न
so who hasn't developed the rati in his heart, so they also can read this
और
grantha.
ग्रंथ की इतने सुंदर रूप में वर्णन किया है
So this grantha is adorable. It is described very nicely everything here.
कैसे भी साधक कुछ कर
What kind of sadhak can be? They can read. I told you last time. Still, I am again and again telling you for reminding you.
कलिकाल है ना
This Kali again, everybody forgetting everything. This is Kalikal.
हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी क्या
So
कर रहे थे
we very
क्या देते
what we do, what we give. What is called
क्या देते
Guru Shiksha Diksha. What Guru Savar Chat
प्रणामी देते
Pranami.
प्रणामी क्या देना
What is Pranami? Dakshina.
अरे कथा सुनने के बाद प्रणामी देना चाहिए
Dakshina dena chahiye. After hearing katha, you should give the pranami. It's a smart people's philosophy or vichar. It's not my philosophy. The disciple should always hear the katha from the guru.
के बाद
So after hearing the katha,
शिष्य बोले गुरुदेव
so she told Gurudev,
प्रणामी देकर
so I have to give the pranami to you, and after that I will go away.
जितने कथा सुना है
So
ना
whatever the katha I have listened to you, I will offer to you.
समझ में आया
So have you got this? So who hasn't understood, please raise your hand.
जो कथा आपसे सुना
So whatever the katha, what the katha I have heard from you, so I am giving to you as a pranami. निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. जय पुजारी जी की जय.
बोले नहीं
No.
कथा श्रवण के बाद क्या करना चाहिए
So after hearing the katha, we should always smaran, reminding that.
ये हमारे कहने के तात्पर्य है
So this is what I mean to say.
इस श्रवण के साथ साथ स्मरण होना चाहिए
So after hearing, everybody remember the katha. But in this Kali Yuga,
हम लोग भूल जाते
we forget these things.
हैं भूल जाते हैं कथा
We
सुनने
forget.
के बाद
After hearing the katha, we forget.
इसे पुनः पुनः
That's why again and again revision we should do. Again and again we should do revision. In the Vedanta Sutta is said,
बता
no.
अरे पुनरावृत्ति शब्दात
Punarviti Shabdat.
पुनरावृत्ति
Shabdat. It is mentioned in the Vedanta.
हैं?
Vedanta
पुनः
Sutta.
जो है,
Again and again.
अनुशीलन होना चाहिए।
We should follow this
एक बार
grantha.
अनुशीलन में हो जाता है ये। बोले
So
नहीं,
it is not
ऐसा
possible
नहीं है,
getting
क्या
one
करना
time for getting the firm determination. We again and again reading our hear Hari Katha.
चाहिए?
Just like Hare Nam, Hare Nam.
कलौ नास्तिव 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 पुनरावृत्ति हरि नाम एक बार हरि नाम करने तो
So while performing Harinam, once everything is done. So it means once you chant the pure name, so all your sinful activities will be destroyed. So they doesn't have this kinds of capacity that they can do this kinds of commit the kinds of sin. Once they chant the holy name, only once Namavas, all their sinful activities will go away. Just like there is so much is a mountain of cotton. So there is a mountain of cotton. If you put fire there, so what? In a very short time, all the mountain of the cotton will destroy. So in the same way, just to chant one Krishna name, so all your sinful activity will be destroyed. This is the glory of name. So this is said that there is nothing to do in this Kali Yuga. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, 11 canto, it is mentioned. So Bhagavan saying to Updesh, Bhagavan saying to Buddha, so which is not possible by the hard austerities, they cannot get me very easily. So why only perform bhakti they can get me? And what is bhakti in Kali Yuga? Bhagavad name, the kirtan of Bhagavan Naam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. It is too hard to chant the holy name. When you chant 1 hour, so you will feel so much suffering. So if you sit one place and do chant the holy name for 1 hour, so you will feel so much pain. This is Kali Yuga. So that's why it is left. Hare Khai, whatever you are doing, eating, sleeping, and just chant the holy name. Khaite soite yata naam gaye. Wow, Hari. Hari, if you are sitting, chant the holy name. If you are standing, walking, just do the name only. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So that's why it is saying in this Kali Yuga, Naam is prominent. Even in the Srimad Bhagavatam, there are 64 kinds of links are there. But still, which is the topmost? Harinam. Topmost is Harinam. Premadhan. So how we have to chant the name? With leave from all the offenses. The Naam should be without aparad, without offenses. There are 10 kinds of Naam aparad. It's showed in the scriptures. And that's why this is a glory of name. In this Kali, whatever you do, but you should all focus too much on the holy name. So whatever you have done everything, but you have not chanting the holy name, so all waste. So that's why we should focus too much on holy name. So now we are coming to the entering into the Granth now. So I would like to tell you 2-3 words about Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada in the preface, in the Prastavana preface. So he is reminding again and again, as I told you last time, Bhajan and Sadhan. Bhajan and Sadhan. So we asked the people, oh, how your Bhajan Sadhan is going on. So we used to ask the questions from everybody, like this is the ulta. This question. First, so first we ask that how your sadhana is going on, and then bhajan, how your bhajan is going on.
इसलिए इस ग्रंथ में
That's why in this grantha
हमें स्पष्टीकरण कर रहे
it is clarified here
हैं कि हम लोग भ्रमित हो
that
जाते
so
हैं
we are confused.
भजन की हम साधन मान लेते हैं
So
और साधन की
we think bhajan as a sadhan, bhajan as a sadhan, sadhan as a bhajan. So in this way we should keep our attention on this. That's what is called bhajan and sadhan, sadhan and bhajan.
इसलिए उस दिन में ही
So that's why I told you last time.
यादु श्रद्धा
Adu Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Raruchi, Asakti,
ये क्या है
Sadhan Bhakti.
साधन का
So these all are the Sadhan Bhakti. This is the part of Sadhan Bhakti.
इसके बाद
So after that Bhav Bhakti and then Prema Bhakti.
प्रेमा साधन भक्ति के बारे में
So
हम लोग ये श्रवण किया था
we have heard about Sadhan Bhakti.
हृदय कैसे हमारे परिमार्जित
So how our heart will be clean by performing Sadhan Bhakti. In this Kali
हमारे
Yuga,
हृदय
our heart is so much polluted with the Kam, Krodh and etc. Vikar, with all the anarthas.
कितना अनर्थ होता है
अनर्थ होते हैं चार प्रकार के. There are 4 kinds of anartha.
कितने प्रकार की है
How many kinds of anarthas there?
स्वरूप ब्रह्म
Sarup Brahm, Asat Trishna,
तृष्णा हृदय दुर्बलता और अपराध ये सब हटा देने का और मातु जो विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती बात ने किया
the Madhurya Kadan Vishnu Chakripa sir, Dushkriti Unarth, Sukriti Unarth, Sukriti Unarth, Sukriti Ut Anartha,
फिर
Aparadh, Aparadh Ut Anartha, Bhakti Unartha. Arey, come into the serial.
चार क्या है चौथा क्या है
And the fourth one is
अपराध
Aparadh Ut Anartha.
है भक्ति के शिला विश्वनाथ
Shri Vishnu Chakravarti in Madhurya Kadambini. So he Dushkriti Ut Anartha. So in the previous birth you have done so much bad activities, the sinful activities. According to that, so you are getting so much disease and all. So this is obstacles of the bhajan. So this is called Dushkriti Ut Anartha. So these all are the obstacles in bhajan. So somebody want to perform bhajan, but there are many kinds of obstacles like disease and all coming into the path. Someone wants to perform Mangala Aarti, they would like to attend Mangala Aarti, but their stomach is not. He's saying that my stomach is not performing well. So some kinds of disease come to your way. So no problem. On the bed you can take the darshan. So this is called Dushkriti Ut Anartha. Sukriti Ut Anartha. In the previous birth you have done so much good deeds, the punya karma. According to that, so you are getting so much comfort, sadhan. So you are getting so much possessions and so we are always keeping ourselves busy in collecting and saving these things and earning that. So there is no so much pain in earning money. It is too much pain to save that save that money for providing the safeness. So this is short. This is called the Sukriti Uttanartha. So when you get so much money, so it is hard to perform bhajan. It happens or not. Who has the 4 kinds of qualities, so he is not able to perform bhajan sadhana. He is very hard to perform. What kind of 4 guns? Sundar Roop, the beautiful form, Aishwarya, opulences, all kinds of positions, taking the birth in the high family, and the 4th one is Panditya, so much intelligence. So these 4, somebody has these kinds of 4 qualities, so he is really hard to perform bhajan for that person. It is sad. So it comes spontaneously. So that's why Dushkriti Sukriti Uttanartha and the Bhakti Uttanartha. At the initial stage of Bhakti, you just put on the tilak, wear the neck beads in your neck, and take the beads back. Take the beads back on your hand. Everybody will touch your feet. So everybody say, oh, he's a pure devotee. And if you have recited and you have remembered 2-3 shlokas and you recite the shlokas in a very nice tune, and the people will say like you that you have come from the Golok Vrindavan. The people will call like this. So this is the meaning of bhakti. Bilba Mangal Thakur was describing a shlok. Pratikshate. Dharma Artha Kama Moksha. Who is performing bhakti? So Dharma Artha Kama Moksha is following them and chasing them person. Just like Maharani, just like our queen walks, so there are many maid servants it's walking here and there. So they are doing so much kinds of fanning and charming, like charmer, and they are doing like this. Jai Jai Maharani Jai, and they are speaking like Jai Jai Maharani ki Jai. So it is spontaneous. This is called the Dharma Artha Kama Moksha, chasing that person, as well as Mukti. Mukti Devi folded her hand and stand before that person and please give me the chance to serve you. So this is the importance and glories of bhakti. And if somebody is performing Shuddha Bhakti, so what to say about that person? So this kinds of views were telling aparad. There are how many kinds of aparad? There are 4 kinds of aparad: Nam aparad, Dham aparad, Seva aparad, Vaishnava aparad. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur in the preface he has told everything. In this Grantha, Bhajan Rasa Grantha, so he had described everything very nicely. So I am just telling you about the preface. So what is the subject of this Grantha? So everything is showed there. And especially in this Grantha, Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, and from Shraddha to everything was showed there. In the first yam, Sadhan, what is showed? Nishant Leela, this is called Nishant Leela, and told about the Shraddha. And quoted Shiksha first shlok here, Cheto Darpan Marjana. Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Naam Sankirtan ki jai. So our mirror, so our heart is like a mirror. Darpan Shisha. In the Hindi, Darpan Shisha. So our heart will be clean. Then we get the form. Otherwise, we are not able to get anything in that mirror. Just something is, if there is so much mud or dust on the mirrors, so you cannot see yourself there. So if you are riding the car, so what you have to do? You have to clean 3 kinds of mirror: front and both side and the both side mirrors are there. You have to clean that. So the car is coming from where you cannot know. So in this way you have to clean all the mirrors. So in the same way, your heart is full of dust. Who will clean that? Naam Sankirtan. So by performing the Naam Sankirtan, you will clean your heart. That's why it is saying Cheto Darpana Marjana. So take some soda and sodium and soap, so your heart will be clean. It's possible? No. Next day you will be Siaram, Hari Bol. So somebody say, Maharaj, my heart is so much contaminated, polluted, so how can I clean my heart? By the washing powder? So if it is possible to clean by the washing powder, so should I take a little bit? So how you can clean your heart? There is only one medicine, just Naam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
हैं? कितना सुंदर वर्णन
So how beautiful is described
है।
there.
दो प्रकार के साधक
There
को
are
ध्यान
two
रखते
kinds of
हुए
sadhar. We have here's
इस
focus
ग्रंथ को
here.
प्रकाश किया
It is this granth is described
है।
or manifested.
एक साधारण से साधारण साधक
So the general ordinary sadhak, the Kanishtadi from Kanishtadikari to the Uttam Bhagavat, they can study this grantha.
और साथ ही साथ
And
एक
as well
दूसरे
as I was telling you
बता था यहाँ पर
here,
देखो निशांत भजन की भी बता रहे हैं।
so he was telling about Nishant Bhajan.
निशांत भजन
That's why the name called Nishant Bhajan.
निशा अंत
Nishant. When the night is going to finish, Nisha means night, the darkness, and Ant means is going to finish.
रात्रि काल में
When the night, who's wake up at night,
भूत प्रेत
the
पिशाच
ghost and all the evil deaths,
जितने प्रकार के हिंसक पशु आदि जो है
many kinds of wild animals, they wake up at night.
रात 10 बजे से लेकर
So
के
from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. they always dance here and there.
भूत कब आता है?
When ghosts come? At night, after 12 midnight.
हाँ। और जब
And when
4 बज जाएगा वो
4 a.m. 4 a.m. they go away back. Go back.
घाट में रहता है।
They used to live at Keshi Ghat, wherever is our Prabhuji.
किसी का किसी का सुनाते हैं।
So he was telling the story of Keshi Ghat.
जितने भी दुष्ट जो है
So all the dushta people, bad peoples, they like darkness. Just like look at the rat. So when you switch on the light, so he will return back to the place where he will go to the hole. So he will sit or take place where the darkness is there. You can see the scorpion.
जितने भी है
Many kinds of animals like this, they will take place in the darkness.
इसी प्रकार
So in the same way, sadhak is full of Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, and these kinds of vikar is manifest in the heart of sadhak. So they are dancing like a bad deeds, bad people.
किंतु भगवत नाम आदि ग्रहण करके
So while chanting the Bhagavan name,
जिस प्रकार सूर्य उदय
just like the sun rises, before the sunrise,
इसको क्या कहा जाता है?
Brahmurat. So before the sun rises, and 1 hour and 36 minutes called Brahma Murat.
उस ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में
So in that Brahma Murat,
सात्विक समय आता है।
this is called the Sattvic time.
क्रोध आदि अपने आप क्या
All the Kam, Krodh spontaneously remove.
गंधकार में
So it is mentioned in some grantha,
उदय और अस्त से लेकर के अस्त से उदय से लेकर
when sun rises and sets and rises. So there are 3 kinds of mode, like Rasik, Samtik, and Tamsik, and Sattvic.
ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में जो है
Sattvic, Rasik, and Tamsik. In the Brahma Murat, this is Sattvic mode. When you chant the holy name in the Brahma Murat,
कितने मन पवित्र
so your heart will be pure.
और कोई चिंता ही नहीं रहती।
There is no worry in that time.
अपने आप
Spontaneously known, name pronounce, utter on your tongue, and your mind will be so much
और जितने
engaged in the Harinam. And when the sun rises up, so you have to came up here. Then many kinds of things came up in your mind that I have to do this and that. So this is called the Rajogun.
दिन छिपने के सूर्य
And when the sun going to set, so what happens? This is you get so much feel sleepy, alasya, laziness. Like this is all the tamogun. So tamogun comes in this way when the sun
आचार जो पालन
sets.
इसी प्रकार भी
So some Acharya Path has divided these all things in this way.
इसलिए सात्विक समय
So the Sattvic time is Brahma Murat.
ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उस
So getting up early in the morning and chant the holy name at that time, Brahma Murat.
हमने जो मथुरा में
When I was in Mathura, our Gurudev used to tell us he used to instruct all the brahmachari, chant the holy name before Mangala Arati.
मंगलारती में अटेंड करने के पहले सभी को कम से कम 16 नाम
So before attending the Mangala Arati, everybody has to chant 16 rounds because at the time there was so much rules and regulation. Everybody has to follow that. I have remembered this all things. So I have, for last 35 or 40 years. So this was so much hard rules of Mathura Math. Every brahmachari has to wake up early and chant the holy name. Gurudev, because Gurudev himself did this. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.
हमने सुना है गुरुदेव
So I have heard my Gurudev Shilvaranga Goswami Maharaj, he used to say,
बाद के समय
at the time of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada in the Mayapur Navdeep, this was the niyam was there too. Everybody brahmachari has to wake up early morning. I have heard from my Gurudev himself. So at the time, all the brahmacharis, 100 and 150 brahmacharis, they used to live at the mutt. They all are mattvasi, and everybody has to follow these rules that wake up early in the morning, Brahma Muhurat, and chant the holy name. So you can see many people are doing chanting holy name every time, but when you chant the holy name and the Brahma Muhurat, your mind will be engaged in Harinam. But otherwise, if you another time, your mind will be disturbed here and there, it goes here and there. So in the Brahma Muhurat, so the Nam you're performing, so this is, so you will get so much pleasure at that time, pleasure. So you will realize something at that time too. So nishkapat, without any cheating propensity, if you are chanting the holy name at Brahma Muhurat, so you will get so much pleasure at that time. In this way, in this Granth is written Nisha Ant. The night is going to finish, and then Nishant Leela is also described. Dekhiya Arunodaya. So in this Granth is written in the Bangla Payar and the Sanskrit also. How beautiful this Granth is. That's why I told you Bhakti Vinod Thakur in this Granth, when he was describing this Granth before that, so he remember the time, just like the parents, they have affection towards all the children's daughter and sons, and they brought up and nourished them very nicely for all the offspring. Just like Mata Pita, the parents take care of all the children in the same way Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So he has remembered all kinds of bhaktas, like from Kanish to the Uttam. So he remembered in his mind all kinds of devotees. I'm not saying this, that so you remember the Nishant Leela and leaving Harinam, you remember Nishant Leela that I am a gopi and follow like this. No, I'm not saying this. So that's why Bhakti Vinod Thakur is clarified here. So everybody according to their adhikar, so according to their adhikar, what kind of their adhikari, according to their adhikar, they have to perform bhajan. One is Nimna Adhikari, the lower Adhikari, and one is higher, the Ucha Adhikari. So what kind of Adhikar you have, so perform in bhajan sadhan like that. Time is going to finish. Adhikar and Aliya Siddhi. Because you are not free from on earth at that time, so if you think yourself that I am a gopi, so this is, your earth will be increased more. Just like in the Bhagavad it is clarified what is said there. Just like somebody has a cough, so he has taken the medicine of cough syrup. But after taking that cough syrup, as well as do's and don'ts, like so they have to restrict from some things. They are taking the syrup, the cough syrup, but they are not taking care of what they should eat or what they shouldn't eat. So they will not get free from the cough. In the Bhagavad, it is mentioned. It is mentioned in the Sanskrit shloka. Just like you are suffering from cough syrup and taking cough syrup, but you are not taking care of parage, like what to do, what to not to do, what to take, what not to take. Just like I'm told you, you are taking the syrup, but it is mentioned there, the instruction, you shouldn't eat the yogurt if you are suffering from cough. So it is mentioned, and they are taking they are taking yogurt, and they are drinking alcohol too. So what happened? So that cough will be increased more. So that's why we should focus on that, chanting the holy name, as well as we have to take care about Nam Aparad.
अधिकार जो जैसे अधिकारी है,
So that's why I'm saying,
अधिकार के अनुसार
according to the adhikar,
अधिकार नानुगिया सिद्ध देव भावे
perform bhajan sadhana according to adhikar.
इसलिए अपने अपने
So that's why according to your adhikar, you have to follow bhajan through bhajan. गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। श्रील गुरुदेव की जय। भजन रहस्य ग्रंथ की जय। श्री राधे। चलो हरि बोल।